Chapter 13. Changes, Physical and Chemical. Hello students. Have you ever seen ice melt or paper burn? Some changes can be undone and some cannot. Some changes keep the substance the same, while others make it completely new. In this chapter, we will explore two types of changes, physical and chemical. Let's understand how things around us change every day. What are changes? A change means that something becomes different than what it was before. We see changes everywhere, in nature, in our homes, and even in our food. For example, melting ice into water, cooking food, rust on iron gates. Some changes are small and temporary, others are big and permanent. Physical changes. A physical change is a change in shape, size, or state, but the substance remains the same. Key features of physical changes: no new substance is formed, usually reversible, change only in form or appearance. Examples: ice melting into water, still water, breaking a pencil, still wood and lead, dissolving salt in water, still salt and water. So, in physical changes, things may look different, but nothing new is created. Chemical changes. A chemical change happens when a new substance is formed. Key features of chemical changes: a new substance with new properties, usually irreversible, may release gas, heat, smell, or light. Examples: burning paper turns to ash and smoke. Curdling of milk, milk turns to curd. Rusting of iron, iron turns reddish brown. In chemical changes, the original thing is completely changed into something new. Differences between physical and chemical changes. Let's quickly compare physical change versus chemical change. No new substance is formed. Usually reversible, usually irreversible. Less energy involved, more energy or reaction. Example: melting wax is physical change. Burning wax is chemical change. Activities to observe changes. You can try these at home with care. Light a candle, watch watch the wax melt, physical, and wick burn, chemical. Mix baking soda and vinegar. See bubbles? That's a chemical reaction. Boil water, physical change, versus cook rice, chemical change. These experiments help you see how different changes look and feel. Conclusion. Let's wrap up what we have learned. Changes are all around us. Physical changes don't form new substances, and they are usually reversible. Chemical changes from chemical changes form new substances, and they are mostly permanent. You can tell a chemical change by signs like gas, color change, heat, or smell. So next time you see something melt, burn, cook, or rust, you'll know what kind of change it is.